everyone. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to bring spring into your own home with these very simple and very beautiful garden-inspired arrangements. The great thing about small flower arrangements though is that there really is no wrong way to do it, but there are a few tips to make it look like a professional. The first thing is to think of your votives or your holders. I like to use what I have at home because it's cheap and it makes the arrangement more charming. So today I've grabbed a few teacups, a mason jar, and some candle holders. So once you've picked out your votives, that's when you go to the market and pick out your flowers. I got all these from Trader Joe's. Now it's really easy to feel overwhelmed as soon as you get to the market and see all of your options. So you keep three things in mind once you're there: size, style, and harmony. You want all the sizes of your flowers to be different, small, medium, large. It's okay if two of them are the same, but that's what makes a beautiful bouquet. So my bouquet, I have my small filler, my chamomile, my little ranunculus, small pink roses, and then my large garden roses. When it comes to style, just think about something that could have all come from the same garden. And when it comes to harmony, color harmony is what I mean. You want things that are all within the same family, so this is warm. And if that's a little tricky for you, just think about what's next to each other in the rainbow. Place your flowers in cold water for a few hours and let them hydrate. Now you're ready to arrange. Filler is always first, so grab small pieces of your filler and you will take that into your votive. You want it nice and low and always around the edges first. I'm now working with my chamomile because it's so small, like my filler. Next, we're grabbing our largest flowers. You want about 1 or 2 of them for your votives. We're going to strip the leaves off the stem and cut about 2 to 3 inches from the base. Then you're going to grab your remaining flowers and arrange them however you want. The goal is to make everything look as full and as fluffy as possible. If you're absolutely thrilled with it, leave it as is. But your final step is just to add a little bit more filler or even some of the remaining leaves if you'd like. Let's add water to these and put them throughout the house to spruce up the place. Whew. Well, we've instantly elevated our entire space for spring, and how easy was that? I really hope you had as much fun as I did. Please show me exactly what your arrangements came out to be. We'd love to see them. Just tag me on social media. All of my information is down below. And until next time, happy spring!